Hey Beth, remember this oldie? My body lies over the ocean.
I sure do.
My body lies over the sea. How about you? My body lies over the ocean. Now bring back my body to me. Bring back. Bring back. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Bring back my body to me, to me. Bring back. Oh, yeah. Bring back. Oh, bring back my body to me.
Now, Scott, I love that song because it's got a lot of bees in it.
Just like Beth.
Yes, or bring, or back, or Bonnie. So let's play a little game. Put your hands like this on your shoulders. And every time we say a word or sing a word that begins with B, we're going to lift our arms up until we hear the next B word. Then we're going to bring our hands back down.
Let's start slowly.
Okay.
My body lies over the ocean. Good job. My body lies over the sea. I like the way you're doing it. My body lies over the ocean. Now here comes 3 in a row. Oh, bring back my body to me.
So far, so good?
A little faster. Bring back 3.
Oh.
Bring back my body to me, to me. Here we go. Bring back, good. Bring back 3. Oh, bring back my body to me. What did I just hear you say? A little faster? We can do it faster.
Sure.
My body lies over the ocean. My body lies over the sea. Oh, my body lies over the ocean. 3 in a row. Oh, bring back my body to me. Gotcha. Bring back, yeah. Bring back 3. Oh, bring back my body to me. What was that? Faster? That's not fast enough.
Okay.
Here we go. My body lies over the ocean. My body lies over the sea. My body lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my body to me.
Oh, no.
Oh. Let's try that again. Bring back. Bring. We all make mistakes. Oh, bring back my body to me. To me. 2. Bring back 2. Bring back 3. Bring back my body. Faster? Turbo speed? All right. Here we go. You ready, Beth?
I'm ready, Scott.
All right, here we go. My body lies over the ocean. My body lies over the sea. My body lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my body to me. Bring back. Oh, bring back my body to me, to me. Bring back. Oh, bring back my faster. My body lies over the ocean. My body lies over the sea. My body lies over the ocean. Bring back. Bring back. Bring my body to me. Not fast.
I think it's time for a rest. Good job, everybody.
Yeah.